So I found this when I was at Publix yesterday, and I know just what to do with this. Look like you're gonna move around a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and just put another one in here. Shouldn't have gone with the washer, you know? Let's go ahead and take these out of here and see what we got, huh? Oh, no wonder that didn't work. Oh, okay. All right. Let's do it a little bit at a time then, I guess. Oh, we got an Evolutions card in there. I don't see the hollow. I don't know about this. These are really stuck together. I don't know. Not only is this thing terrible, I didn't even get a hollow out of here. You don't even call this a day of Pokemon roulette. This is just garbage.